In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create public boards in Trello. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to set up a board that anyone on the internet can view, which is perfect for sharing roadmaps, documentation, or community plans. First, log into your Trello account and head to your dashboard. This is the home base where all your boards live, and it's where we'll start. Once you're in, look to the top navigation bar for the Create button. Click that, and then choose Create Board. This opens the new board setup screen. Here, give your board a clear, descriptive title so visitors immediately understand what they're looking at. You can also pick a background to make the board more recognizable at a glance. Just below the title and background options, you'll see a privacy or visibility setting. By default, this usually shows workspace, which limits who can see the board. Click that drop-down to change it. From the list of visibility options, select Public. This is the key step that makes your board visible to anyone on the internet. Keep in mind, public means the board may be discoverable and can be indexed by search engines. Viewers will be able to see your lists and cards, but they won't be able to edit unless you explicitly give them access as collaborators. Because of that, take a moment to make sure there's nothing sensitive on the board. No private notes, credentials, or confidential details. Public boards work best for general information you want to share broadly. When you choose public, Trello will display a confirmation warning to make sure you understand the implications. Read that prompt carefully, and if you're comfortable with the visibility, confirm your choice. This step is designed to prevent accidental exposure of private information, so it's worth double-checking before you proceed. With your visibility set to public and your board details in place, go ahead and click the Create button to finalize. Trello will create your new public board right away. You can now organize lists and cards just like any other board, knowing that it's accessible for anyone to view. If you ever need to change the visibility later, you can return to the same privacy menu on the board and adjust it as needed. That's it. Your public Trello board is live. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up. It really helps us out. And maybe consider subscribing. Please let us know in the comments what you think of the video and if there's anything we can do to improve it.